prepared for and staying financially confident throughout retirement starts with having a solid foundation. And here to keep us on track and keep financially focused is John Kuykendall, founder and CEO of GulfCoast Financial Services. Now, GulfCoast Financial Services has been named Best of the Best in Financial Services 11 straight years and running by the readers of the Lake City Reporter. And we always appreciate your perspective and guidance, John. I know that a foundation-first approach is the exact approach that has gotten you that title and designation those 11 years.
Well, that's right, Peter. That's what we believe in, laying that foundation for retirement. You can't build a house unless you put the foundation first. And so a strong concrete foundation, one that's built properly, has the rebarb in it. You take your time, let it settle. That's what we're looking for. We're looking for a strong foundation for retirement.
Yeah, yeah. Homes to skyscrapers. I think they all start with the foundation first, right?
Yep.
Yeah. Well, John, as we have talked many times here on the program, is that a lot of times that is something that people sort of forget to focus on and don't spend enough time to control, which is their budget, their spending, their expenses on one side.
Well, that's right, Peter. And that's one of the things with that financially focused income plan that we provide. We ask our clients to take a budget form and tell us exactly how much they're spending, what they're planning on cutting out before in retirement, but also what they're going to add. I mean, we had one client the other day that put in $7,000 a year for travel. I mean, those are the kind of things you've got to add to your budget. So we want to know exactly how much it's going to cost you to live in retirement. You can't retire at some point and all of a sudden, expect to be able to pull out whatever you want. You're not living on a paycheck anymore. You're not earning money. You're living on your own paycheck. It's the money that you provide. People have trouble doing that. They have trouble understanding that, they're paying themselves. I had a client call me who retired and he said, okay, now tell me again, how do I get paid?
Right. Yeah. And so therefore on the other side, it is your income, your cash flow. How will that be
Right.
generated? How will you get that income you need?
Well, that's right, Peter. What we want to know is we want to know exactly how much you're going to spend. We want to know how much guaranteed income you have coming in. In other words, pensions, Social Security. We want to know how much you're going to receive each month in a check before we ever worry about how much you've got saved. And then that difference is what we call the income gap. And then we're going to take and we're going to show you how we're going to fill that income gap. And like I said, we're going to include the wants that you want in retirement, the needs that you have, and the wants. And then we're going to show you how we're going to provide that, and if we can provide it, and what's the best scenario for your retirement.
At the same time, John, moving into and throughout retirement, we've got shifting spending patterns and certain risks that
Mhm.
retirees are uniquely exposed to that we've also got to address.
Yes, that's right, Peter. The thing is that we're going to spend a lot more money in the early years of retirement because we're going to be more mobile. We're going to want to do things. We want to go out.
Those go-go years, you've called them.
The go-go. I call those the slow go. And we're going to transition into the slow go, which means we're going to spend money, but just not as often. We're not going to go as often. We're not going to travel. We're not going to go overseas. We're just not going to want to. And then finally, we're going to transition into the no-go years where we want to stay home. We'll travel in the city, but we don't want to go anywhere because we just really are comfortable at home. And I can tell you, Peter, that this is absolutely true. I have seen my father, I have seen my clients transition through these phases.
So, John, do you feel that enough people really spend the time, dedicate the effort to understanding their spending and expenses and lifestyle? Do we do enough budgeting?
No, Peter, we don't because we have a paycheck and we they take out our 401k money, our retirement money, and we don't think about it. We live on that paycheck everybody lives on that paycheck and their credit cards. I mean, we still have a humongous debt and credit cards. And so people are living at their means or above their means by spending every dollar they have. So we're not really worried about, we're not really worried about how we're going to do our budget. We're worried about how much I got left on my credit card balance.
Mhm. And John, I'm sure debt hurts our budgeting. We want to stay out of debt and the cash flow
Yeah.
that servicing debt requires. But if we are moving into retirement, formulating the income plan is what's going to help us to understand that budget and reconcile that with the cash flow that we'll be able to generate.
That's right, Peter. And what we want to do is we want to be as we transition into retirement, we want to be more conservative in our investments. We want to take our investments and we can't afford a huge loss right before we retire. So we want to be more conservative. We want to make sure that the income plan works for us and that we see how we're going to get to where we're going. And so we don't want to take a large loss. We're going to look at, if Roth conversions. We need to do all the Roth conversions that we can do prior to getting on Medicaid and or Medicare and Social Security. So we want to transition those Roths early as soon as we can and go ahead and pay those taxes.
Well, taxes, one area that we talk about after the foundation is built, we have to address these risks that retirees will face and sometimes uniquely are exposed to. Taxes are not unique to retirees. However, they do impact retirees differently.
Well, that's right. Taxes aren't really, we don't really think about taxes while we're working. But when we are retired, every dollar counts. It's the amount of dollars that you get to spend. How much of your money do you get to keep? And so taxes, our income, it affects our Medicare, it affects our Medicare Part B, it affects the amount. Social Security is still taxed. It's not taxed outright, but 85 up to 85% of our Social Security can be added to our taxable income, and therefore we're going to pay taxes on that income. So taxes are certainly very important. We want to be as tax efficient with our strategies so that we can extend that income, and have it last longer. We're living longer. We're doing things longer, and we want to be able to provide that income through that retirement.
And that financially focused written retirement income plan, John, that's the blueprint. That's the roadmap for making the withdrawals and meeting and matching the expenses.
Yeah, that financially focused income plan, Peter, we're going to look at tax planning. We're going to look at Social Security and Social Security planning. When do you need to take Social Security? How would it affect you if you waited? How would it affect you if you took it early? We're going to look at income and how we're going to get you income. We're going to look at Medicare, medical, long-term care. How are we going to provide that? Because Medicare doesn't provide that. How are we going to fund that person to come into your house and take care of you? We're looking at the whole picture from every angle that we can look at, debt, everything, so that we can build one income plan that works in retirement.
John, the Social Security that we would receive over our lifespan can be dramatically impacted by our claiming strategies, the timing of
Yeah.
making that claim on Social Security. Is that part of and worked into this financially focused written retirement income plan? And how big of a difference can that make?
Well, Peter, it can make a difference. I mean, yes, it is included in the plan. We had one individual whose wife was actually full retirement age and had worked and had a good job. She was drawing Social Security. He was waiting till age 70. But what he didn't realize was he could take a spousal at his full retirement age, draw a paycheck until age 70, then turn his on, and he still got the benefit. But we picked up an extra $1,200 a month that we wouldn't have had it for 4 years that we wouldn't have had. So yeah, there are strategies, and while there aren't as many exceptions to the Social Security planning as there used to be, it does make a difference. We can show you if you take it at full retirement age what's going to happen. As you know, if you take it early, you're penalized if you go back to work or if you earn too much. So you just because it's available at 62 doesn't mean that's the best option, or because if you wait till age 70, you max it, that may not be the best option.
Well, confidence in retirement does come from preparation, and stability comes from the foundation. That means understanding your spending, your expenses, building a reliable income plan. That financially focused written retirement income plan aims to help you accomplish just that and address some of the risks that are uniquely applicable, uniquely affect retirees. So confidence is the preparation and planning. Living is income. That is the quality of life in retirement, and knowing your expenses and your income will help you to reconcile the two. And that's why, John, you do make the offer to help individuals and couples put together, proactive planners and savers put together that financially focused written retirement income plan.
Yeah, Peter, and that financially focused written retirement income plan is such a big key to that foundation that we're building for retirement. Without it, I don't know how you get where you're going. It's like a roadmap. It's going to help us through retirement. It's going to help us have a better retirement, I believe, and it's going to help us figure out all the things that we need to do and when do we need to do them. There's no sense in going into retirement without having a coach. And we're going to coach you and provide all that stuff for you just through that financially focused retirement income plan.
Yeah, the best way to get that plan put together, partner with an experienced, qualified team of professionals. John Kuykendall, of course, founder, CEO of GulfCoast Financial Services, your resource, North Central Florida. If you've got questions, concerns, would like to get that plan put together, pick up the phone, give them a call, 386-755-9018. That is 386-755-9018, 386-755-9018. Or you can visit online, GulfCoastFinancial.net, GulfCoastFinancial.net. John, always appreciate you being here, keeping us financially focused.
Thank you, Peter. Great to be here. See you next week.
Be sure to like, subscribe, share, and tune in for more financial focus by visiting GulfCoastFinancial.net. The information presented on this program is provided for informational purposes only, without warranty of accuracy, completeness, or suitability for a particular purpose. This program is not intended to be and does not constitute financial, investment, legal, or tax advice. This information is general in nature, not specific enough to be construed as advice. You should not make any decision based on the information presented on this program without independent consultation with an appropriately licensed professional or competent advisor. Investment in securities or the market involves a potential risk for loss of principal. Trading, therefore, may not be suitable for all listeners. Annuity guarantees are based solely on the financial strength and claims-paying ability of the issuing company. Withdrawals of growth from annuities may be taxable as ordinary income in the year it is taken. Individuals should review contracts for specific details of the product's features and costs. Early withdrawals may subject the owner to penalties, fees, or taxes. John Kuykendall is registered with and securities are offered through Kovac Securities, Inc., member FINRA SIPC, found online at www.kovacsecurities.com. Advisory services are offered through GulfCoast Financial Services, Inc., a registered investment advisor in Florida. GulfCoast Financial Services, Inc. is not affiliated with Kovac Securities, Inc. or Kovac Advisors, Inc. Past performance is not indicative of future results. All investing involves risk. Investment decisions should be based on your own goals, time horizon, and tolerance for risk. Due to various factors, including changing market conditions and/or applicable laws, the content may no longer be reflective of current opinions or positions. GulfCoast Financial Services, Inc. has been named as Best of the Best since 2015 in the category of Best Financial Advisor in the Lake City, Florida area. The award was based on receiving the most votes in this category from a survey offered and tabulated by the Lake City Reporter. No direct or indirect compensation was provided to the Lake City Reporter and/or any raters, and the award is not contingent on future direct or indirect compensation offered to the newspaper and/or raters. Portfolio performance is not a criterion, and voting is open to any readers of the newspaper.